The swag got a new upgrade. Well, not really. This is kind of an old mod, but I just got it because my actual Dowpo broke. So, and the swag one was actually the like original vape I had. So I figured why not get the swag too. And also this purple just looks sick. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same King New York City shirt, it's because I'm filming a couple of videos in the same day. So yeah. I am using for this mod or this video Savage Patch. It's very good. Kind of like a obviously sour patch, but it's really like sweet and sour. So I'm gonna hit it a couple times. So it has the C cell, 35 to 50 watt mesh coils. It has the screen. There's a button on the side, obviously for controllers. It is a single battery mod, so it isn't a dual. But I've actually this vape battery's actually lasted quite a long time. Like you can easily use this all fucking day without having to charge or switch out a battery. And this is like I'm like a heavy user, so like I'm for personal experience. This vape, this it's very small, easy to fit anywhere. The tank size is pretty decent for what it is. The coils actually last a while. It fires and hits really good. And for how affordable it is, I got mine for I think it was 45 bucks because it was on sale, and a lot of vape stores are still closed out here in Florida due to all the stuff going on. But yeah, that's my review on the Vaporesso Swag 2. It's definitely a cheap and very good budget friendly like starting mod, or if you want a new one, or if you're looking into getting a new mod. Don't like sleep on Vaporesso. They make very good quality products. Um, yeah.